Now, with Jamaica set to host the Pan American Lacrosse Championships starting next week, the local governing body, the Jamaica Lacrosse Association, is hoping for a long-term spin-off for the National Youth Program. Speaking at the launch of the August 17 to 23 event, President of the JLA, Calbert Hutchinson, sees the hosting of the Pan Am Championships as a major stepping stone towards the long-term growth of the sport in Jamaica.
Well, I have a running list of young men and women who have received scholarships over the years, and I can tell you it's over 30 right now, and it keeps growing. Even as I speak with you, we have young men from Kingston College and St. George's College who are finalizing their scholarships to go overseas. So we have over 30 young men and women already, and it keeps getting more every year, every time. And there's a strong correlation between participating in a world championship event and scholarships being offered. We have seen that over the year. Every time our team comes out of a world championship and they're seen out there, scholarships are offered.
In the meantime, Hutchinson is looking to position the nation for greater things in the near future.
Hosting this in Jamaica provide an opportunity for diaspora players to engage with the local audience, to come back to Jamaica, to give back, to play at the highest level on home soil. So we are very pleased with this tournament coming to Jamaica. And on top of that, it set the stage for putting in a bid for the World Championship, because now we would have had experience with the 2023 Pala Sixes event, and we know we're going to be successful with this one, so it will give us the experiential background now to put in our bid for the World Championship.
The Pan Am Lacrosse Championships set for the Stadium East Field will see 5 nations booking their spots to next summer's World Lacrosse Championship in Tokyo, set for June 18 to 27. The other nations who will compete along with Jamaica are the United States, Argentina, Canada, Colombia, Mexico, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Now, there will be live broadcast on TVJ and TVJ SN.